We are going to be discussing the design and production of a ventilator machine, which we have here. So let's go there. I'm going to show you how to go about it. So this is a structural aspect of it. This is plastic and electric motor here. We have the control here. Then we have the AC plug here. Then we have the lever and the carrier here. And here we have silicone airflow resuscitator. This is manual, but you can see that it produces air here. So this is the associated component, the tubing and the mask, and every other aspect of it. So the basic aim of doing this is for us to control the flow of air automatically so as it will be steady. So let's see how it goes. I am going to assemble this very particular system to become what? A perfect system. Though this very particular design here, we are still is a kind of work in progress. So we've been able to achieve it 90% complete. But let me show you how to go about it. So let me connect this resuscitator inside. I'll have to fit it according to design. Yes, it has entered. You can see. Can you see it very well? Okay, so let me connect the bag. Here's the bag, the air bag behind. Then I will connect the tubing. You know, this is like this. This is the max itself. I will connect it like this and connect this one to this port. I hope you can see it very well. Okay. It's very well here. Okay, so then this is the lever and the carrier. So the basic, what we are trying to achieve here is for this very electric motor to, when powered, I will have to connect this to this particular place, moving up this lever and down. So the aim is just to move this lever up and down. That is the aim. That is what we want to achieve. You can see that while pumping this down, this produces what air. You can see. Can you see it? This is air. Can you see? You can see how it goes. You can see how it goes. It produces air. So, but let me power this. Let me connect it to HC for us to see how. Okay, so now it's connected. The aim of this very control here, this particular control you are seeing here, this is the control knob. Can you see it? You can see the indicator. The indicator light is on. So the aim is to control this very electric motor here, because what we desired here is low speed in order for us to have the air regulated. So let me put it on. You can see. Then I can increase it as well. I can increase it. Then I can as well reduce it. So this very project you see here you can use it in school projects or anywhere or whatever you want to use it for. But all these things, you can dismantle all of them or assemble them back again. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. That will be all for today.